Hi guys, it's Chaz with TPC, Top Picks with Chaz, and today I have another Amazon review. So I will be reviewing the Suncoon Multifunction Camping Shovel. So you know how some products claim to do everything but barely manage to do one? Well, the Suncoon Multifunction Camping Shovel is the complete opposite. It does everything and it does it well. Imagine MacGyver's toolkit and Bear Grylls' survival instinct had a baby. This shovel would be it. First off, let's talk versatility. This isn't just a shovel, it's an all-in-one survival kit. It slices and dices, and get this, it can even open a bottle of your favorite post-hiking beverage. Whether you need to dig a fire pit, chop some wood, or fend off a bear, well, let's hope it doesn't come to that. The Suncoon's got your back. The shovel head itself is like a Swiss Army knife on steroids. It's sharp enough to cut through roots, but sturdy enough to shovel snow, sand, or whatever Mother Nature throws your way. The detachable handle, pure genius, it's modular so you can adjust the length for different tasks. Plus, it comes with additional tools like a knife, saw, axe, and even a whistle. Because who doesn't want to whistle while you work? Now let's talk about the ace in the hole. Its durability. This shovel is built like a tank but weighs as much as a feather. Okay, maybe not that light, but it won't break your back carrying it around. Made from high carbon steel, it's tough enough to survive the apocalypse or at least your next camping trip. So in short, the Suncoon Multifunction Camping Shovel is like that overachieving friend who's good at everything. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-on survivalist, this shovel is the ultimate outdoor companion. Just don't be surprised if you find yourself looking for excuses to use it. After all, how often do you get to say you dug a trench, built a shelter, or opened a cold one? All with the same tool. So pack your gear, grab your Suncoon, and let the wilderness know you mean business.